Queensland Integrated Court Referrals, or QICR, is a court diversionary process that connects defendants to treatment and support services that can help them to address the underlying contributors to their offending. QICR offers a pathway for defendants to engage with service providers to address some of the contributors to their offending behaviour through short-term bail-based referrals that may continue post-sentence. QICR assists defendants by connecting them with appropriate treatment and support services and aiming to reduce the likelihood and seriousness of any further contact a defendant may have with the criminal justice system. QICR also assists the Magistrates Court by providing detailed and accurate information about a defendant's personal circumstances to the court. To be eligible for QICR, defendants must have pleaded guilty or intend to plead guilty, be charged with offences that can be dealt with in the Magistrates Court rather than in the District or Supreme Court, be on bail, and be experiencing and charged with offences related to homelessness or the risk of homelessness, or problems with drugs and alcohol use, or mental illness, or impaired decision-making capacity. Defendants who are taking part in QICR may be referred to a range of treatment and support services that can help with things like obtaining short and long-term accommodation, addressing problems with addiction, including by providing rehabilitation services, getting treatment for health issues, and developing personal and life skills. QICR can also help defendants access culturally appropriate services. A defendant can be referred to QICR for assessment by any person they come into contact with, including a magistrate, a duty lawyer, private lawyer or other legal representative, the police, treatment or support service providers, family members and friends of the defendant, or the defendant themselves. Dedicated QICR facilitators are located in magistrates' courts where QICR is available. The facilitator will interview the defendant to assess their eligibility for QICR and find out about their treatment or support needs so they can connect the defendant with service providers. With the defendant's consent, the facilitator will provide information to service providers. These service providers will consider the defendant's circumstances and whether there are suitable treatment or support options available to the defendant and advise the court about this. The magistrate then decides if the defendant can participate in the QICR process. This involves the defendant engaging with service providers. These providers supply reports to the court about the defendant's progress. The magistrate may take these reports into consideration when sentencing the defendant. The magistrate may also order the defendant to continue to participate in QICR after sentencing.